feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of
Well, let me show you a little bit of downtown Bridgeport right there. That is Holiday Inn. They closed it to make apartments. As we keep going, we have I guess like a buffet place, empty building. That used to be I think a Rite Aid. And going all the way up, just some record stores. That's the courthouse. Like I said, that was the Holiday Inn, but now it's closed. And going all the way down, more stores. They have some other buildings over there. Nice street. It's mainly downtown area. It's like this whole area right here. They got other areas, but this is like the main. Little street in here with some businesses on the side. That right there is the arcade building. It used to be one of the uh, historical fact. It used to be one of the first arcade buildings in the U.S. Like I said, this used to be a mall, like one of the first um, outdoor malls in the U.S. So let's see. Most of these stores are closed. Look how nice. I'm not as tall as that. This is a coffee place, a clothing place. They also have a building, residential building in here. This is the other side of downtown. They have mainly the government buildings and a couple of other restaurants. This is like a park in here. So that was downtown Bridgeport.